Today we're taking a look at this practice suturing kit. This is going to be all the tools you get. I'm going to show you everything. This is going to be if you want to practice suturing. This is going to be perfect if you're in med school or you just need a little more practice as well. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff, which I'm going to show you in a second. But right over here, you can see in this box, it has a little trainer. So you could do all of these on the various things. So let's see what all this comes with. So this is the materials that it comes with. We got three pairs of scissors. We got some suturing stuff over here. We also have these packets right over here. So this is going to be, you'll see right here. This is the nylon. So this is what you're going to use. And then we have all the different things right over here. So you can see this is different skin type of thing. We have this over here, which is kind of all plain right over here. And then we also have this right over here, which is all different patterns that you could follow and stitch up and do all that. We also have this over here. It has suction cups on it. So if you want to put this somewhere and leave it still, and you could also put other stuff on here. So you'll see here, this is like kind of Velcro. So you could do this. So it almost act like it's kind of like an arm or like a piece of skin or something like that. So you could do practice on that, which I think is really cool that they have that option as well. And you can kind of put this one on here as well. So if you are looking to practice your suturing skills, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.